Hello everyone. Today is my presentation topic on the global energy crisis. So in this presentations I will tell to my audience about the global energy crisis and why energy crisis is and what are the reason and what are the causes behind that energy crisis. So and what are the solutions that we should follow. So as we look toward the world and everything is depend on the energy directly or indirectly, the global energy crisis is the main problem of the energy crisis in the worldwide. Now, the world consuming energy continuously and the main part and main source of that is the oil, because oil is that part from which world consuming more and produce more energy from the oil. In our world today, if we look and we find that everything is everything is running on the energy. Example, motive force in our body is due to of the energy. Basically, energy is the capacity of the work, capacity to do work. So now, thing is that why energy crisis occur? As we know that the crisis in anything occurs when there is imbalance between the demand and the supply. Now I am come toward the specific part of the energy crisis: oil. Oil deficiency is the main part in the main factor of the energy crisis in the world. So why that is the crisis? Because there is imbalance between the demand and the supply. And what are the reasons? So with the time the consumption of oil increases, and there is no other reservoir oil reservoirs they found oil. So that is the biggest demand is very high and supply is lesser. So that's why there is a crisis in energy due to oil. So as we look toward the graph of the oil versus its production and consumption, so we will find that about 85 barrels of the oil per day world is consumed, or we can say that 40,000 gallons of the oil per second. Now, what are the causes? What are the causes behind that the energy crisis? So, main cause of that energy crisis is the population growth. As population increases, the population as increases. So, as population increases, the number of developed and developed countries increases, but the production of oil is not increases. So constant that remain in same in the previous year. In recent years, there is no reservoir found. After 2002, there is no concept of the reservoir of oil has been found. So now, in 1898, 1981, the world consumes oil very fast, and that we have been found it. So that's the gap of that energy crisis in continuously increases. Now we have come toward the solution part of that energy crisis. The main thing is that we have to find the solutions as possible that does not that is very sustainable and does not affect the future. And the production is continuously increases or remain constant, and not decreases. So that energy sources or the renewable energy sources like wind energy and solar energy system. Now the world is going toward the renewable energy sources, because these sources are the very effective and feasible energy sources from which we can produce huge amount of energy, and that energy we can from that energy we can produce electricity, generate electricity, and other things that running on the energy. So this is the main thing. We have to come toward the renewable energy sources, because this is very effective. And thank you.